bank earnings saw ICICI Bank surpass expectations on most counts. While Kotak Mahindra Bank posted a mostly stable performance, Canada Bank posted a strong quarter as well, with gross NPA coming in at a 31-quarter low. Abhishek Kothari is here with a wrap on the numbers.
Well, ICICI Bank came out with its Q1 FY24 numbers over the weekend, and records continue to gallow over there. Gross NPA ratio of about 2.76% and net NPA ratio of 0.48% are perhaps the lowest that you are seeing in last 8 to 9 years. The unsecured book is the highest in last 23 quarters or more, given the fact that it's now at 19.9% of the loans, and this has been aiding the net interest margin. Restructured book at 0.37% is perhaps the lowest in last 10 quarters, and the watch list is the lowest in last 30 quarters, coming in at a mere 0.4%. In terms of PNL versus RPOL, it's a beat on NII as well as the PAT. Kotak Mahindra Bank, the deposit growth is robust over there at 22% YOY, perhaps one of the best that you are seeing in last 16 quarters, and a sequential growth of 6.5% is perhaps the best in last 13 quarters. Asset quality continues to improve. Gross NPA ratio is the lowest in last 32 quarters or even more at 1.77%. On the flip side, the CASA ratio of 49% is the lowest that you are seeing in last 22 quarters, and the core operating profit declined by almost 7%, 6.74% on a sequential basis, which has not gone down well with the street. So PNL, both in terms of NII and PAT, it's a beat on our poll. Canada Bank, the asset quality continued to improve over there. Gross NPA ratio is down to 5.15%, which is the lowest in last 31 quarters. Net interest margin is at 31-quarter high of 3.05% when compared to 2.95% in the previous quarter. The operating efficiency or the cost-to-income ratio is perhaps one of the best that you are seeing in last 5 quarters, coming in at 43.6% when compared to 45.85% in the previous quarter. In terms of the PNL versus our poll, both the NII and PAT is ahead of our poll. Back to you.
Right, thank you, Abhishek, for that. IDBI Bank